filter. Has some cool engineering to it. It's got we call these things here ribs, and it's got the stainless steel mesh.
Consumer Reports went to great lengths to find the best gutter guards. Testers hooked up hoses and pipes to simulate different amounts of rainfall. 20 gutter guards were left outdoors for more than a year. There were several types.
We had a surface tension type.
Guards Consumer Reports tested had a hard time handling a severe downpour. Another...
Thanks for cleaning the gutters.
Anything for you, hon.